One of the other questions that I get asked very frequently during consultation, especially by male patients, is if hair transplant cause infertility. And hair transplant does not cause infertility. In fact, there is no relationship between hair transplant and infertility or low libido in any way. Now, during hair transplant, what happens is that once we administer local anesthesia, we just transfer the hair follicles from one point of the scalp, that is the donor area, to the recipient area or the area that is receiving the hair follicles. There is no involvement of any hormonal alteration or anything that would cause one to go through infertility. The other question I get very frequently is, can one braid their hair or shave their hair after hair transplant? And the answer is yes. You can actually braid your hair 7 days after a hair transplant, and you can also shave your hair 14 days after a hair transplant. The transplanted hair by that time has completely anchored onto the scalp, and it cannot be manipulated, or you cannot lose it through especially shaving. Now, during braiding, we encourage that you do hairstyles that do not cause strain on the hair, and also use hairstyles that are friendly to the scalp and do not cause a lot of manipulation to ensure that you keep the hair that we transplanted. But you can still continue braiding. You can style your hair as desired. You can color your hair. You can also relax your hair, but ensuring that all these hairstyles are done in a very professional way that does not cause any damage or harm to the transplanted hair follicles.